Once again, we are bringing you an online demonstration from a jeweller's workshop somewhere around Australia.
Shall we get started?
Oh, this could be good.
I'm showing you the long way.
I know there are some places that teach that practice, but it's a bad practice.
Make sure it's really round. You don't want a wonky ring.
If it ends up an ugly stone, it is an ugly stone.
I'll show you how to remove those.
If you already know how to use rhino and things like that, go away.
Be warned, they will cut through your hand. No flame, just accurate hammering.
Major consideration of how I set up is keeping the electricity and the water separated.
Okay, enough is said about the danger. Everything's dangerous.
There's a lot of advantages in using CAD.
It's very important how your joint comes together.
Try and get as close to that edge as possible.
You never know what you're going to get once you start working on a stone.
I will be engraving with a micromotor.
If you buy anything from AJS, this is the tool you want to buy.
So when I was casting, I made sure to get that metal really, really hot. And once I got it to that molten stage, I held it there for a little bit longer.
You do need a lot of patience for this, as with most things in life.
It's invaluable to jewellers.
Learning is all about trial and error and learning from your mistakes.
Jewellery making is often problem solving.
Figuring out why something didn't work helps you learn how to make it work in the future.
All right, thanks very much.
So thanks, guys.
See you next week, everybody. Thank you.
Everyone have a great day.
See you, everyone.